guys, 828 Find Adventure here. I'm gonna try out some waterless car wash on my truck. First I'm gonna hose down and get all the grit off the day before, but I'm just gonna hose it. You know, some light water or even a good rainstorm would do that, and just get the grit off of it, because I don't want to scratch the paint with this stuff. So then I'm going to, per the directions, just use it as it's intended. It is a waterless car wash, so the car will be dry, and then I'll be able to spray it on and wipe it off with a microfiber cloth, and then I'm gonna switch cloths to a clean one and then polish it. So let's go check it out and see if this stuff works. And while I got you here, if you would hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. Let's do it. So we're gonna do this door right here, the passenger door. And I want you to, I don't know if you can see that dirt. There's a lot of dirt on there. And this stuff you can use on the windows, the plastic, the metal doors, whatever. You can use it on everything. So let's give it a shot. Okay, I've got one for the dirt and one to dry with. Okay. Can you see a difference from right here? I don't know if you can or not, but I think you can. Look at that. And it's silky smooth. You can see my door ding right there real good, thanks to some kid getting out of his grandma's car. You see it right there. Interesting, but this stuff I think works. Pretty cool. Well, it's gonna rain tomorrow, but I wanted to do this and you know, get out here and do this before it rained and get it filmed. And you know, it looks like it does a good job. Well, that's pretty cool. So in a couple of days, I'm going to do the whole truck. Wow, you can really see a difference. Look at that. Wow, this is amazing. I'm going to use this stuff all winter. It does, you know, I don't think, as long as you switch out your microfiber cloths for each panel, like I'll use one to wipe and dry on the passenger door, one to wipe and dry on the driver door. Same with the fender, the hood, the roof, the tailgate quarter panel. And then of course with the wheels I'll do the same thing, because you can use this on your wheels as well. Check this out, we had a rain. There's the dirty door panel. And there's the one I cleaned. You can see all the water just beads up, runs off. Again, there's the dirty one. Pretty good. Okay guys, let's clean a wheel now and see how this stuff does. I'll try to do a cleaner job next time so it doesn't drip all over the tire. But it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we will see how this stuff does. Now after I wipe this all over it, I'm going to go back and I'm going to polish it. Get in here and get all these little crevices. I mean, this isn't a substitute for your summer washing with a, you know, with some good soap, but this does pretty good. Now to get in these areas in the wheel here, I'm going to spray it on the microfiber cloth, and I'm just going to go like that. I mean, this doesn't take too long. Now you have to keep moving around on this microfiber cloth because it's going to get It's gonna get dirty real fast. So then let's take one that's somewhat cleaner. And let's polish that up. Okay, we're getting there. Let's do the inside now. Now we're gonna go back and we're gonna polish it. It is 39 degrees out here right now, so well, it looks pretty clean. It might not be up to some of y'all's standards, but that looks pretty clean compared to what it used to. Now this is labor intensive, you know, getting these wheels clean. Depends on your wheel, but it's better than dealing with the hose and some soapy water out of here and then having your pipes freeze because you use the water. You can just keep polishing. These are matte black wheels, so any dirt is going to really show up. So that's a lot better. Looks good. Well, that was quicker, but they look good. I also did the tailgate yesterday and the rear glass of the topper. I have not done the rear bumper, but I will get to that. Just little steps at a time. You know, it's cold. Trying to do this stuff between my busy schedule, but looks good. You can look at it. Does a great job. I'm really happy with it. Well, I hope you liked that little demo of the Chemical Guys waterless car wash. It worked really good, and you know, I recommend it. And you know, I'll let you know how the rest of the vehicle goes. And you know, it's gonna take a little elbow grease. It's not as easy as washing with soap and water, but you know, it looks good. I mean, check that out. You can definitely see a difference, and it is really, really silky smooth. So anyways, if you would, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It enables me to do more videos like this for you and kind of motivates me, should I say. That's really what it does. But I've got more videos coming, so stay tuned and I will see you then. See ya.